Sometimes people will need to file bankruptcy more than once in their lifetime. When this happens, we have to evaluate whether you qualify to file bankruptcy at this time. If you need to file a bankruptcy under Chapter 7, then it has to have been at least 8 years since you filed your prior Chapter 7 case. Or it needs to be at least 6 years since you filed a prior Chapter 13 case. So if you had a Chapter 7 in January 2003, it's now past January 2011, then you would qualify to file another Chapter 7. If you had a Chapter 13 case back in, say, 2005, January 2005, then January 2011, you would qualify to file a Chapter 7. If the case you're looking to file now is a Chapter 13 case, it will have to have been at least 4 years since a Chapter 7. So if you had a Chapter 7 in January 2007, and now it's past January 2011, you would qualify to file a Chapter 13 case. If you had a prior Chapter 13, it would only have to be 2 years. So if you had a prior Chapter 13 in 2009 and it's now 2011, you would qualify for another Chapter 13. The rules for Chapter 11 are exactly the same as they are for Chapter 7. And the rules for Chapter 12, which is family farmer bankruptcy, are that you can file a Chapter 12 at any time. There's never any restriction. Now, one more thing before we finish up this segment. If you didn't receive a discharge in the prior case, then you can file at any time. So if you filed a Chapter 7 case in 2003, but you didn't attend your hearing and the case was dismissed, and you didn't get your debts discharged, then you can qualify for a Chapter 7 case at any time. Same thing with Chapter 13. If you file a Chapter 13, the case doesn't finish, and you don't receive a discharge, then it won't affect your future ability to file, so you can file sooner. On each of these cases, you would need to come in and work out with me the best time to file and the best chapter that works for you under the circumstances. But the good news is there's almost never a case that can't be filed at all, and there's almost always relief available when you need it.